Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your lid switch actuator kit. The reason why you might have to do this is because one of the components of the kit is broken and your washer is not spinning or agitating properly. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of needle nose pliers. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer model that we'll be using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore. Keep in mind, what you have at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So I'm going to open up the lid of our washer here. Right here is our lid switch actuator. It's a little bit old and worn out, and so that's probably why this washer isn't working properly. So to get this off, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this old bumper right here, and then I'm going to grab it and pull it off. There we go. Now this piece of plastic right here is going to be the striker, and to get that off we can try and use this pair of needle nose pliers to pinch it on the back here and then work it out. And by pinching that, it makes it so that it's small enough to fit through the hole. Just like that. There we go. Now we've got the old one out and we can put the new one back in. To get this switch off right here, we're going to have to remove these two Phillips head screws. So now while I undo the second screw here, I'm going to hold up on the switch so it doesn't fall inside the washer on me. This is also helping keep it stable so I can turn the screw a little bit easier. So now that we've got the screws out of the switch here, there's a piece of plastic housing around the switch right here that I'm removing first. And now there are two wires that are plugged into the switch itself, which I'm also unplugging. And you can see here, I took it out just how it was hooked up inside. So you had a wire coming out of here and a wire coming out of here. So you just pull them straight off, just like that. And then this entire piece comes out. And now that comes off like that. And we've got our old switch actuator right here. So we're going to get rid of that and get our new one. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement lid switch actuator kit. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. This kit also comes with a striker, a bumper, and the lever. We're going to put this clamp end in first, and that'll just snap in. Just push it in and it snaps nice and secure. Now we've got our bumper, and that'll just go down on this, and it's got some ridges to prevent the bumper from falling off once you push it down, just like that. So this is our new actuator. You can see right here, exactly the same as the old one. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our switch in here first, and to do that we're just going to line this up, slide it in. Then we've got two holes here where our screw goes in, and you're going to want to make sure those are nice and lined up all the way through on the other side, because we've got the screws that are going to come out on this end here. We can put this back underneath here, and I'm going to plug in our wires, and now I'm going to get our housing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that that tab goes in between this space right here of the housing. So I'm going to have to angle it just a little bit when I first put it on. And now I'm going to get everything moved up to the top, and then we can screw it back in. So now what I'm going to do is I don't have this quite up to the hole yet, but I've got it pretty close. So what I'm doing is I'm feeding the screw here, and I'm finding where that hole is, and now I'm going to screw it in just a little bit by hand. And that way, once I've got it in enough, I can feel that it's got the lid switch and that plastic housing on it, so I can slide this other screw in. And I'm going to do the same thing. I find the hole, Screw it in just a little bit. And then once it's tight enough, I'll get my screwdriver and I'll finish screwing it in the rest of the way. Now we can close the washer door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.